point. Okay, so they're just gonna go ahead and watch this. So, yeah. Hi guys, this is Sarah.
Hello.
She's our guest for now.
For now.
So, yeah. I don't want to keep the chat on because some of it could be copyrighted. Okay, so I'm going to say hi to YouTube. So, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and run around. So, yeah.
What is that?
It's some person running off with food. Oh, my face! No! Oh, that hurt really fast. No. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, look what it did to the back of my phone case! Guys, help! Okay. There's wind. It's picking up sand and stuff, and it's in our eyes. It's on the back of my phone case. Hang on, let me show you. Okay. Look what it did to my phone case. Okay. I don't know what happened, but you guys can't see that, so I'm gonna put it next to this. There we go. That's better. So how about Wolf Online? So yes, I know. So yeah, I guess we're gonna restart. So we gotta restart and say hi. Okay, say hi to YouTube. Okay. My eyes. Talk about it. Why wind? We don't like wind. No more. Oh my god. Okay. You smell really good.
No, I can't.
Oh no, I can't see.
This is freaking. I'm going inside. Do you want to come, Mallory?
Sure. Okay, so, we're gonna go inside. So when we get inside, we'll get back to you. Oh, we're still not inside, but we're still not inside. Oh, okay. Oh, that's better. So we got inside. We're inside. So, yeah. I kind of just froze there for a second. So, yeah, I don't know where we're heading, but we're heading. Okay, burgers.